So for today, I'm going to teach you on how to withdraw BNB Bitcoin chain from Trust Wallet to your bank. So first, you need to open your Trust Wallet application, and after opening your Trust Wallet, make sure that your wallet or existing wallet is currently linked, but if you don't have, just click the create new wallet. After that, find the BNB, which is in BEP2. And after that, you need to click the More button. And after you click on the More button, just simply click the Swap to Smart Chain. And after you click in, just enter the amount you wanted to withdraw on how much BNB Beacon chain you wanted to withdraw from your Trust wallet. And after that, finalize your transaction by clicking the confirm and open your Binance application. And once you are in, just click on the wallet section and click on the deposit. Once you click on the deposit, click the BNB or Binance Smart Chain. And after that, you need to select a network which is in BEP20, which is the BSC or the Binance Smart Chain network, and copy the deposit address for you to able to go back to your Trust wallet and paste the wallet address on the BNB Smart Chain and click the send button. After that, you need to navigate to your wallet again for you to able to click to fiat and spot as well. And then you just have to click the withdraw button. After that, you need to choose a currency based on your preference. And then you just have to enter an amount again. After that, it will confirm your transaction. Use the Binance as your third party to withdraw your BNB Bitcoin chain since Trust Wallet doesn't support the BNB Bitcoin chain on swapping or withdrawing. And that's how you withdraw BNB Bitcoin chain from your Trust Wallet onto your bank. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new video. Stay awesome, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next one.